Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Macro Managed, Closed Caption, Real-Time Blank and Pass, I'm going to show you how to use the Blank and Pass macro to easily blank the caption screen and enter pass-through mode in one simple step. The Blank and Pass macro is one that you may want to use whenever you want to blank the screen and also enter into pass-through mode, which will allow other captions to appear on the screen that you're captioning to. You may need to do this for commercial breaks that have their own captions, or if you're handing off segments with another captioner. Whenever you're in pass-through mode, this allows captions from other captioners to also appear on the same screen that you're captioning to. In my user settings, in the Realtime tab in my closed captioning output format, I have auto block turned on. And so what that means when I'm in pass-through mode, as soon as I begin sending translation to the output again, and block mode will prevent captions other than my own from being received by the encoder or whoever I'm captioning to. You can also uncheck auto block and use a macro to turn block mode on or off, and I'll show that in a future video. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave auto block turned on, and I'm going to start in block mode. I'll press OK, and next I can go to the Edit tab, Macros, and find the CCRT Blank and Pass macro. And you see that this macro is associated with the keystroke F3. I'm going to double click on this macro, click the dictionary entry button, and enter in the steno that I'd like to use to execute this macro. And this will work with voisteno or writer steno, so no matter what kind of captioner you are, you can use these macros. I'll press OK, and I'm going to make sure that this entry goes into my main dictionary, and I'll press OK, 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 and OK again. If I open my dictionary and search for the word blank, you see that I have the CCRT Blank and Pass macro correctly assigned to the blank stroke that I gave it. Now that I've set up the macro and I've verified that it is in my main dictionary, it'll work in translation. And so in order to test that out, I'm going to start Realtime. And in this case, I'm going to do a virtual Realtime to show you the macro operation specifically, and I'll press OK. And you see that since I chose to start in block mode, I do indeed start in block mode. So now I'm going to start pushing strokes through. And you'll see that after the word viewers, I write the Blank and Pass macro. So the next stroke is going to be the Blank and Pass. And you see that the screen has been blanked out, and my closed caption preview window indicates correctly that I am now in pass-through mode. And as soon as I continue writing, since I do have auto block turned on in my closed captioning output format here, as soon as I begin writing again, block mode will turn on, preventing other captionings from entering the encoder. And you see that as soon as text began appearing in my closed caption preview window, block mode turned back on. If I continue writing until I get to the next instance, you see that again, the entry correctly blanked and passed my screen, and as I begin writing, I re-enter block mode and my text comes back up on the screen. And once more, pass-through mode has been entered, my screen has been blanked, and as I begin writing, those entries come up on the screen and block mode is entered. And again, block mode is being turned on automatically because I do have auto block turned on in my closed caption output format. No matter how often you need to clear your screen and enter pass-through mode, the Blank and Pass macro will have you covered, and it will flawlessly execute these actions for you every time with a single, easy steno stroke. And no matter the purpose that you're using for pass-through mode, whether it's to allow another captioner to take over or to allow captioned commercials to send their captions to the encoder, pass-through mode will work and allow the receiving encoder to display the proper captions that are appropriate for any given time. Thank you for watching this video about the closed captioning real-time Blank and Pass macro. It is a staple to any real-time closed captioner and will save you time and energy when executed from your writing device, whether that's a steno machine or voice writing mask. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be notified whenever we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.